Hey everybody, this is Darryl at hudsonscustommachining.com, and on the workbench today I've got parts from a Robbins Myers lollipop. This is the neck components where the motor is attached to the neck of the base, and as some of you know, the neck innards or the inside components inside that neck is where the brushes are that makes continuity through the motor, through these two contacts right here. Don't know how this shaft got bent so bad without busting the motor housing on that fan, but this is the shaft that come out of it, and it's very, very badly bent. And rather than waste time trying to straighten this out, which would a bend this bad is really, really hard to get it straightened back out where it's usable again. So I just went ahead and made a new shaft, and worked on this last night. Got this new shaft made. Chased these threads here on the lathe. There we go. Good looking threads on there. And then we've got some threads down here on this end. And there's a hole runs all the way through this, and this is where the contacts, where the brushes run, fits up on here. And of course these holes line up with those holes, and this is you have your head wire runs down through the center of this shaft. One wire comes out through this hole, and the other wire comes out through this hole and gets soldered right here. You can see where the wires get soldered here. And then all this goes on there. You got your bearing races. I had to make a new bearing race too. The old one was busted. Here's the old one. Was broken. So I made a new bearing race for it as well. So I'll be putting this together probably this afternoon. I'm waiting on some new hardened steel balls that's going to go in there. This is what goes in these bearing races here. You've got bearings here, ball bearings here on this end as well. So that's what I'm working on for now, y'all. And I always do enjoy working on these lollipop fans. You'll find lollipops with the R&M badge, Robbins and Myers, and you'll also find the lollipops with the Victor badge. And the Victor badge is a cast brass badge. It's a real good looking badge. So that's all for now. Just wanted to show you what I've been working on yesterday and a little bit today. So we'll close from now. Y'all subscribe to my videos if you like this sort of thing, and we'll catch you later on. Take care.